Well, it looks like the flood control thingy's working pretty good. And the wash is filling up pretty good. I mean, full. We'll see how high it comes up. Pretty cool. I know, you hear it? Look at how fast it's going.
I've been back here 40-some years and it used to.
Oh yeah, it used to rush through here.
Yeah. Over on the east end of town too.
Yeah.
They come up to get to the front doors for houses.
Yeah, we'll see how high up this comes.
I figure we've got a couple inches already.
Oh yeah.
We haven't rained like this in a couple years.
He likes this. Fun to jump in puddles.
Well, the bureaucrats are happy now. They did the right thing, huh?
Yeah, it's gonna be nice. As long as these lights are on 24 hours, that's all I care about.
Sounds like the waterfall.
Yeah.